Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to run Diagnostics on this laptop. So since this laptop doesn't have any pre-installed or offered by CHUWI diagnostic tools, you can either open your Microsoft Store and look up the PC Manager application by Microsoft. Just click Get right here and the application will install automatically. Then you'll be able to open the application. Let's wait until it opens up. Okay, let me search for it from the start menu. Then search for PC Manager application once you install it. And in health check, you can scan your system for basically any junk files and easily clean them if this scan finds any. But besides that, if you want to check your device's hardware, I suggest using HWInfo application. I'm gonna install it for you so you know how to do that. First, open your web browser, then open your search engine, then search for HWInfo application. Open their official HWInfo.com website. Then select free download, then select this installation file from SourceForge. Once the SourceForge page opens, the installation or the downloading of the installation file will begin. Once it's finished, open it, press yes, then close the web browser. Oh, okay, and the system scan is finished, and as you can see, there are items to clean up, so let's proceed by removing them, and the PC Manager will clean up your device for you. In the meantime, we can proceed with the installation of the HWInfo application. On this page, you can select the language of the product by expanding this list and selecting one from the list. Then click OK. Click Next. Accept the user agreement to continue. Then click Next. Then you can click Browse and select the destination folder for your file, for your program. I'm gonna go with the default one. Click Next, then click Next again, and then install the program. It will take some seconds, I think. Then click Finish and the program will launch. Click Yes. Then click Start, and you will see 3 different windows once your laptop is fully scanned. Oh, we don't want no betas. Okay, so in this window you can find the information about your CPU, motherboard and GPU, along with with all specifications of them, and the live monitors right here, so you can see how they run, and basically check all the information about your hardware. Then in this window, I said that there will be 3 windows, but I guess the third one doesn't work for this laptop, the CPU monitor. But in this window, you can find the information about each of your device's hardware elements by expanding each tab and selecting each element of your hardware. Now if you want to check your device's overall state of each element of your hardware, then go to sensors, and here you'll be able to find all the information that you need to know. So basically each core of your processor with the very detailed information and live monitoring with temperature, or the resource consuming, the current one, minimum and maximum, and the average values of each value on the list. So the CPU, I'm not sure what these two, what these three are. The drive, the battery. So basically you can see that everything works well on this laptop, because the values are changing, and basically the values are okay for each element of the hardware. The temperatures are fine, and well, it's not quite a user-friendly way to diagnose your PC, but it's very reliable, and it's pretty it's a pretty convenient way to get to know the detailed information about each element of your hardware. So I think it's the best way to go for this laptop. Oh, okay, if you click summary, then the CPU monitor actually starts working. Okay, so in the CPU monitor you can also check the resource consuming of each core of your CPU. Okay, now we can go back to the PC manager, and as you can see, the cleanup is completed. And basically that's how you perform diagnostics of your PC. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.